Hey guys, once again, we are back with another exciting lineup of the insanely cool car gadgets. Whether you are upgrading your ride, improving convenience, or adding modern tech to your driving experience, we have you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Torque Wrench Digital. Have you ever wished you could tighten parts with more confidence and precision during your everyday repairs? This compact digital torque wrench is designed for people who want clearer guidance while working on bikes, small engines, or delicate components inside cars. It offers a simple and direct way to achieve consistent tightening without second-guessing your movement. What makes it so helpful is how it supports beginners and hobby users who want a smoother work process without needing advanced mechanical skills. The digital guidance allows you to focus more on the result and less on constantly checking tension manually. Because it stays comfortable in the hand, it reduces effort during longer tasks. Vantrue E1 Pro Dashcam. Have you ever wanted a dashcam that records with clarity even when driving in difficult lighting? This compact front camera offers a sleek design that fits neatly on a windshield while providing dependable recording for daily travel. It captures motion smoothly and protects your driving evidence when unexpected moments occur. For long commutes, the camera gives a sense of security by continuing to observe surroundings without needing constant adjustment. It supports people who want steady performance from a camera that does not distract from driving. The small screen is easy to view at a glance, making quick checks faster without blocking your field of sight. Its night detail recording helps users who travel often in dim light, offering cleaner recognition of scenes. During parking, its monitoring style adds assurance when leaving the vehicle unattended, especially in tight urban areas or crowded places. The helpful wireless connection allows you to transfer recordings to your phone without dealing with complex steps. People who prefer compact technology will appreciate how quietly it blends into the interior while delivering consistent video. Auxbeam 8-gang switch panel. Do you ever wish you had a neater way to control extra lights or accessories inside your vehicle? This compact switch panel organizes multiple functions into one clean setup, making it easier for drivers who upgrade their rides with additional lighting or electronic add-ons. It helps reduce scattered wiring and brings everything into one reachable area, which is especially useful for off-road vehicles, boats, or recreational vans. Drivers who want a tidy dashboard will appreciate how this panel creates a more controlled working space. It helps manage accessories without relying on multiple separate switches, giving your setup a more professional appearance. The adjustable lighting offers comfortable visibility during both day and night travel, helping you operate without straining your eyes. Its structure supports rough environments, making it suitable for adventure lovers who travel through unpredictable weather. You can mount it easily, allowing you to adjust your setup without advanced electrical knowledge. Dent Repair Kit. Have you ever looked at a dent on your car and wished you could fix it yourself without visiting a shop? This repair kit helps people who want a simple and less expensive way to correct dents at home. It provides different tools that support surface pulling, allowing you to work gradually and carefully without harming the paint. The slide hammer lets you handle deeper imperfections, while the adjustable bridge tool helps you work with more control on flat areas. People who enjoy do-it-yourself repairs may find this kit useful because it avoids harsh procedures and treats the surface gently. The suction cups are helpful for larger dents, giving you a slow pulling action that prevents sudden stress on the metal. Users appreciate that the tools help reduce labor costs and provide quicker fixes for small accidents or parking lot mishaps. Having this kit at home means you can address dents immediately, instead of letting them get worse. It's also useful for restoring metal surfaces on appliances or other household items. Magnetic Wireless Car Charger Pad. Have you ever wished your phone would stay secure and charge smoothly without dealing with tangled cables? This magnetic charging pad supports people who prefer a clean and simple setup inside their vehicle. It keeps your phone stable while driving, making it easier to follow navigation or handle calls in a safer way. Its magnetic hold is strong enough to keep the phone in place during turns or bumps, helping reduce distractions. The wide compatibility supports many smartphone generations, giving you flexibility if you upgrade devices later. The soft surface helps protect the back of your phone from scratches and keeps it firmly attached during charging. Drivers who appreciate organized cabins will like how this charger pad removes the need for loose wires hanging across the dashboard. It offers a smoother charging experience during both short errands and long road trips. Because the pad lights up around the edges, you can locate it easily in dim light without fidgeting. Slim under-seat subwoofer, 800 watt. Do you ever wish for deeper sound in your vehicle without giving up trunk space? This slim subwoofer fits under a seat, allowing your audio to feel richer without taking over your cabin. It helps drivers who want fuller bass while keeping everything compact and hidden. Its built-in amplifier delivers consistent audio without needing external equipment. The slim shape makes it ideal for small cars, trucks, or anyone wanting a discreet but strong upgrade. The added ambient lighting creates a soft glow that enhances the mood during night driving. Music lovers will enjoy how this subwoofer strengthens low frequencies, making songs feel more alive. The controlled vibration helps avoid rattling while giving a smoother sound experience. If you enjoy road trips or simply want better audio clarity, this underseat option gives you more immersive listening without heavy installation. Fosmon Dual Laser Parking Guide. Have you ever wished parking inside your garage felt less stressful? This dual laser guide helps drivers position their cars accurately without guessing distances. It creates clear reference points that show exactly where to stop, making parking much easier for both new and experienced drivers. Its wide-angle coverage supports different vehicle sizes, ensuring the guidance works for sedans, vans, or trucks. You can adjust the angle to match your preferred stopping position, helping you avoid bumping into walls or items stored in the garage. People who store equipment around the vehicle will appreciate how this guide reduces the chance of accidental scrapes. It's also helpful for multi-car garages where precise placement matters. The backup battery ensures the guide keeps working. 10 Hertz GPS Performance Meter. Have you ever wondered how your vehicle performs during acceleration or timed runs? This performance meter helps drivers measure speed, lap timing, and other motion data with higher accuracy. It is useful for enthusiasts who enjoy tracking performance improvements or analyzing driving behavior. The device connects with a mobile application, allowing you to review data in a clean layout. This supports people who like examining results after driving sessions, such as acceleration patterns or braking points. It is also helpful for competitive drivers who participate in casual events or track activities. Shademax RGB color-changing LED car seat gap filler organizer. Have you ever dropped your phone or keys between the seats and spent minutes searching for them? The Shademax car seat gap filler organizer completely eliminates that problem while adding modern style to your car interior. Designed to fit snugly between the seat and console, it provides a handy spot for your essentials, such as phones, cards, and drinks. The color-changing RGB lights bring a futuristic glow to your cabin, creating an inviting ambiance at night. The built-in USB charger ensures your devices stay powered throughout your journey. Its premium material and sturdy structure mean it will not move around or lose shape. BYDA 4-in-1 Retractable Car Charger. Tired of carrying multiple cables in your car for different devices? The BYDA 4-in-1 Retractable Car Charger solves that hassle with one compact solution. It features a retractable design that keeps your space tidy while offering universal compatibility for both Apple and Android devices. The fast charging technology delivers up to 69-watt output. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.